Very excited to see all the lovely faces here. I'm Dennis Lee. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Reeske. So I decided to leave my stable career as an actuary to start Reeske in 2020. Not a typical actuarial move, to say the least, but this decision is really a long time in the making. In addition to my negative insurance purchase experience years back and the learnings from working on insurance product with many carriers, most importantly, over the years, I noticed a lot of families and friends neglect to protect their income when in fact they should, including my wife, a new veterinarian who has no idea that she needs income protection insurance going to practice, which made me feel terrible. And when it comes to protecting one's income, there are virtually many ways. However, for most people, having the right personal life and disability products are the most actionable and the most important because it protects the biggest risk one will face, the mortality and morbidity risk for wage earners. And despite the recent progress in advancing the direct-to-consumer insurance purchase solution for these products, it is apparently not enough. On the one hand, at the consumer level, although everyone knows about the importance of protecting their biggest asset, their ability to generate future income, the journey to get it done is quite windy. The process is complicated by the forces of lack of understanding, misunderstanding, mental biases, and the reluctance to think about these negative events, as well as the technological forces that constantly fight for the attention. More often than not, people got more confused after thinking about this, and very few people ended up taking actions. On the other hand, at the macro level, driven by the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand for life and disability products are at all-time high. Based on the most recent LIMRA survey result, 36 and 22% of the uninsured U.S. adults, which roughly translate to 42 and 47 million potential customers, are ready to make a purchase for these products in the next 12 months, and that's unprecedented. What's also unprecedented is the opportunity that lays ahead. We're looking at a $20 and $19 billion market opportunity for whoever can crack this puzzle and really address the customer need. So naturally, you may be wondering, what are those needs and what are we missing today? So to best illustrate this, let's see how a typical customer will go about the experience today versus how we would handle it. Meet Jill, a nurse practitioner I recently interviewed. Just like my wife, she worked at a small clinic which offers no group life and disability coverage. And given the nature of her work of attending patients, she's well aware of the possibility and the likelihood of injury and illness and has made attempts in purchasing these policies. Given her limited financial literacy, she started out Googling just like you would expect. But that didn't really go nowhere just because of the overwhelming amount of information she sees. And she tried a few online solutions and almost went with a feeling using rule of thumb or guesstimation. But at the end, she gave up. She gave up because she felt hesitant about her decision. She felt lack of support. And at the end of the day, she just felt like she's not in the rush. And Jill is not alone. Based on our survey around 300 people, over 85% of those who purchase life and disability products online express frustration. When presenting multiple options, they clearly prefer a more engaging process with an interactive, educational, and visual journey. There actually indicates a need of a process that is not only fast and seamless, but also trustworthy with a relationship that builds upon personalized solution, which does not end upon hitting that purchase button. So after knowing all that, we designed and built Reeske, a digital insurance distributor that simplifies income protection using data analytics, delivered the right product with a personalized user journey and curated offering embedded at the right place. Let me explain. First, we work with an innovative carrier capable of delivering product with an established digital pipeline supported by accelerated underwriting model. Secondly, Reeske's unique customer journey will turn the lights on for the customers using data analytics to get the value proposition message across in a fun, seamless, and fast way. Our motto is to catch risk before risk catch you, and we truly believe it's the foundation of building long-term trust with the customer and keep them engaged. Lastly, Reeske will be embedded in the processes so that customer journeys start at the point when these coverages or products are needed the most. Getting these three pieces right, we can then tackle the biggest problem the industries are seeing, the low conversion and high acquisition costs, and really rewrite that paradigm we heard over and over. Instead of insurance being sold but not bought, we believe that when things are done right, insurance can also be bought in addition to be sold. All right, so now you're on board. Let's see how Reeske actually works. Imagine Jill again, coming across Reeske while onboarding one of the Nurses Association. She entered Reeske.com. Unlike any other onboarding processes, her journey starts with a research-based fun behavioral questionnaire to assess her risk appetite, health condition, and product preference. With her consent, we pre-fill her other information and went straight to Reeske Solution Dashboard, where she can see her Reeske coverage score, a proprietary analytics developed by a team of actuaries using statistics and actuarial model to indicate the insurance sufficiency based on her personal risk factors. Abiding the deliberate pacing design principle, we also deliver in-depth personalized analytics as well as advisory feedback to address any doubts and concerns that may arise throughout the process. With these user-friendly analytics, she felt like she just spoke to an advisor, minus a small talk, of course, and clearly understood the reason of needing those policies and how it could help protect her family's finance, both qualitatively and quantitatively. In addition, she learned that taking action now results in a 10%, in this context, 10% lower total future premium comparing with buying a year later, and will provide one more year of coverage during her more vulnerable time. So with these info on hand, she's fully convinced and purchased a policy with confidence. And in case she does not need any coverages, we will frankly say so. Our proactive monitoring capabilities will detect if any unwanted risk emerges in her life and keep her updated. We believe that simply being fast, cheap, and transactional are not good enough for these products, and we are here to deliver more. About our go-to-market, our primary focus is to build a turnkey embedded solution for companies and organizations to help their employees, members, and customers protect their income through strategic alliance partnership. Okay, so that's quite a bit. To make all these come true, I have teamed up with Sean, a tech genius who I've known for over 14 years, ever since we met in college. With both technical and business expertise from both insurance and tech space, along with the support of a team of advisors of insurance business leaders, we are creating the Amazon experience of insurance shopping. Now, if you are a company or organization who are looking for embedded solution for life and disability products, we are here to help. Our digital solution can help you drive customer lifetime value and retention to help you establish a more competitive edge against bigger players. As we are rolling out our platform in a month or so, very exciting time for us, you are welcome to be part of a journey to help customers or people to see insurance more positively and create another way to simplify life. Thank you very much.